Look at this, we're in my house. This is a great story.
Right now I feel like I'm just a number 0061.
Here I am, look.
How was the museum? Good?
Oh my gosh, have you been to it? Finally, after all this time, we're in Uber Detail. Like one of our best friends ever, Carlos Garcia. But this is awesome.
Thank you. So this is our store.
Been waiting a long time to come here, my friend.
Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you for coming.
Yeah.
We've been doing business since 2010.
Yeah, I missed
2010.
15 years.
Yeah, 15 years. You know, we should open a store around here. Nobody has a store. So our first store was like 5 minutes from here. We opened the store, and then I realized.
This is a great story.
So when I do some kind of training, especially for dealerships. So for dealerships or for car washes, I do training with Dr. ColorChip.
So when you had these big competitors and you were having the tough 2 years, what happened next?
We didn't have any customers, but I still have my account in LA, and I was washing cars. So we just started doing some kind of like cheap flyers and just go, hey, free water. Well, you go check my store, and we keep growing and growing and growing. We used to buy from a guy called Ed. He was like, so one day he's like, I want to retire. You want to buy my customers, like my route?
My route, yeah.
So he was so cool that he was, just buy my inventory. I will give you all the clients. So I bought it, and we start selling to stores. In 2013, we start selling to other stores. After like 1 year, Bob called me and said, hey, I don't know if you know, but Randy's going to have a training for stores. You want to go over there? I was, yeah, I will go. So I went there, and that's when Randy like changed my life. And that's when we like explode to the next level, selling to like crazy numbers.
Well, you're like an octopus, you know? You have all of these tentacles. When I worked for Jack Nicklaus for all those years, that's what I used to say about Jack. Because he had golf course design, he had golf equipment, he had apparel, and so on and so forth. But he was the brand Uber Detail. So you're Uber Detail, and then you have all these tentacles, which is wonderful because it gives you, in my opinion, multiple streams of recurring revenue. You're from Mexico, and you are a true Americana story. That you immigrated here, you are living the American dream. You bought a house in Corona. That's what America is, and that's what entrepreneurship is. And hard work.
This is the only country that if you really want it, you can achieve wherever you want. So we have more brands and more brands over there. We have like 25 different brands. That's my line.
That's what I wanted to see.
This is, so I put a lot of effort in my labels. Sum up some kind of significance for me. For example, this one is after I went to Miami with Williams, so I grabbed all the Miami colors.
That is very Miami.
And I tried to do it Miami. So this one, it was after I went to Formula One in Mexico. So this one is because I love Terminator movies, so it's kind of like a robot.
With the eyes? I see the eye.
This is for my daughter. She loves video games. So it's kind of like a Mario thing. And her name is Carla.
How many kids love video games? How many adults love video games, Nico?
Yeah. And this for my older daughter. She loves line dancing and all the
cowgirl stuff.
Yeah, so it's like an A for Andrea. This is my brand, and right now we are in 20 stores. We have one store in Vegas, one in Arizona, and the rest are here. I'm glad that you guys are here.
Never forgetting where I come from has been such a big thing for me in everything of my life. We went snowmobiling last year, and he went with my whole family. And that's you show up for your family.
At the beginning I was scared. I was totally out of my comfort zone. Something that I feel too that we do here and nobody else does, at least in this area, is like we give back to the community, and we do the only Christmas party. Every December. This is gonna be the sixth one or the seventh one, the sixth one.
Yeah.
Sixth time that we do it.
I wish I could have come to that one last year.
Everything is free. But people like you and other brands help us, and for us, that's important because we remember the first time that we did it. Like a couple of days later, one of my customers show up and say, thank you so much, Carl. I have to say thank you to you. And I was like for the party or he was, no, this is the first time. My daughter is almost 10 years old, and this is the first time that she has a picture with Santa. I don't have the money to go to the mall. Thank you so much for help me achieving this dream. I'm like, oh my God, we're more than friends, and appreciate you. Thank you for helping me with the Christmas party. Sometimes we take things for granted, you know. Oh, you know, 40, 50 bucks for a Christmas picture with Santa. Oh yeah, wherever. But there's people that they struggling like day by day, and at least we try to do it once per year, and they go so happy. And thanks to you and PNS and all the brand that help us, but appreciate it.
Oh, it's good stuff, my man.
Thank you.
Cheers, huh?